A lot of you love the default meeting report in Alter. It's quick, it's accurate, and it gives you exactly what you need to stay on track. But with the last video about managing meetings with Alter, I quickly talked about generating different kinds of reports based on one meeting. So imagine 4 reports: the meeting overview, a team dynamics report, a technical breakdown, and a personal coaching recap, all done from one meeting. That's what I'm going to show you today, moving from a single summary to a fully automated multi-report system going straight into your Obsidian Vault. Of course, the Obsidian part is optional. You can write and send the reports anywhere. This is an advanced tutorial. Make sure to watch the previous video for setting up Alter to handle your meetings. The link is in the description. First, don't be scared. It's actually simple. There's only one Alter action we are going to build. The action will use only one prompt telling the AI to generate the 4 reports at once. And then, by using our trigger called onNewTranscript, this action will fire every time you finish a meeting. Let's set this up. In the action editor, we look for the default meeting report action here, and we will customize it. We're going to rewrite the prompt to include 4 tasks: a meeting overview, one for the team dynamics, one for the tech breakdown, and one for personal feedback. I prepared a prompt on Obsidian, and I will share it also on the marketplace. Okay, so we put it in the system prompt, and now our changes are going to be available everywhere in the app. So let's say you open a transcript in the hub and click the meeting report button, it will actually use this one. So this is a great capability of Alter. The extensibility is insane. Everything is driven by Alter actions. It's the same thing for the cleanup dictation process, for example. But I talk about that in another video. Now, where do these reports go? And it's incredibly simple. Just create a workspace, and let's add our Obsidian Vault to let Alter manage it. Here, my default vault. And that's it. Now we just have to add one instruction to our prompt. Save the reports in my Obsidian Vault. Let's do it. And I need to link this action to my workspace, Demo Vault. And now Alter will handle the dispatching, and the files will appear as clean, ready to use Markdown in your vault. That's cool, but how can you check that your workflow is working before having a real meeting? But first, let's double check our action, see if we're not missing anything. So our workspace is linked. That's good. Check the system prompt. It's here as well. Good. The user prompt. We don't need anything special here, so we are okay. And I want the model to be ultra fast. So let's choose it. Good. Now we just need to try with a previous meeting recorded in Alter. So let's search for a previous meeting. And now let's search for the meeting report action. Okay, it's here. Good. But you can also drop an audio recording you have or a transcript file. Let's do it. I have one here. Selected. And let's look for a meeting report action. Let's go. So it's listing the Obsidian Vault. Now it's creating all the reports, here all the files. We can check on Obsidian to see what kind of reports it created. So it's looking good. So it's an overview of the meeting. I have lots of content. Let's see the technical breakdown. We're really focused on some aspect of the meeting. It's really cool. Let's see the team dynamics. So it was collaborative and constructive. That's cool. Productive and outcome oriented. That's awesome. And let's see my coaching reports. Yeah, that's very nice. And all of this, of course, can be customized to your liking. Okay, fun thing to try. Let's generate an HTML report with charts using the dynamics report it created with charts for the team dynamics. Okay, let's take a look. And that's so cool. All you've seen so far is not limited to meetings. You can set this up to scan a folder once a day, process everything, and give you a daily recap. All you have to do is opening the action editor, going to your automation section, and change the schedule type. Instead of on new transcripts, you can choose daily, you can choose weekly, anything, right? And by the way, that's something we forgot to check during our little checkup about the action. So make sure to set on new transcript for the schedule type. Okay, save. So once you master this kind of workflow, you can automate almost anything involving folders and documents. And here we go. This is the end of the video. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see more. And guys, see you soon.